Rest up. We use the phrasal verb rest up in two ways. One, we use it to talk about taking a rest after something tiring happened to us. So for example, I could say, wow, that weekend was exhausting. It was super fun, but exhausting. I need to rest up and recover. Or we can also use rest up to talk about taking a rest to gain strength for something that's going to happen. So for example, I could say, you better rest up before the party so you can have a good time and, not fall asleep really early. When was the last time that you had to rest up? Tell us about it in the comments. Also, what other phrasal verbs give you trouble in English? Tell us that in the comments as well. All right, I'm gonna go rest up. I'll see you next time.